Got right here Brownian hunting knives. Let's see what they're all about. Start with this one because it's really simple. You don't have to worry about any kind of folding or anything like that. So first of all, you got right here, I thought there was a knife. No, all you have right here is a bone saw and a skinner. That's it. You don't actually have a knife, but that's pretty cool. So very unique, simple as that. Next, this one is a really cool knife. Something very unique I haven't seen. First of all, fixed blade knife, very nice. Bushcrafting hunting knife over here. This side here comes out and then you can sharpen it this way. This knife is already sharpened, so I'm not gonna be doing that. So that's very unique. Little sharpener over here. Just a quick stuff. Boom. Next one, a little bit different. This one is probably one of the best in this kind of style, replaceable blades. So you have a whole bunch of blades in here, and it comes with two. I guess you can buy more. It's definitely cheaper stuff. So let's take it out, whatever this is. And there's 3 more different blades. So you don't resharpen those. You just replace it. And let's see what these ones are. Same thing, 3 more different blades. And so what's so unique over here, this side here presses a little button and this pushes in. Once it's pushed in, I pull it out. Then to put a new one in, you just push this button and it locks in. So yeah, and it's like supposed to be razor sharp. You don't have to sharpen them. It's a liner lock. Very unique. And there's one more, almost missed. This one is kind of like a multi-tool. Check this out, that's so weird. So first of all, you got right here a saw, a knife, and another knife, and a skinner right here. Pretty interesting, don't you guys think? So also it's all back lock. Let me close this. You see back lock is over here. Which one do we have to do? Oh, way in the back right here. There you go. Boom. But you know what? Let's say I need a knife. That's extremely uncomfortable. This edge right here will cut into your finger, especially it's a hunting knife. If you actually will be working, this is cutting into my hand pretty bad. So, and also there's plenty of wiggle room. So interesting knife, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Let's say I pull this one out. Probably the most comfortable, but still plenty of wiggling inside here. It's so weird. Plenty of wiggle room. It's unique, interesting, but I don't know. Kinda like an afterthought. That's not fun holding on this sharp edge right here. That's supposed to be a handle. Oh well. Let's see what we got. First of all, looks like a kitchen setup. This is for hunting. Okay. You got right here sharpener. Like a fillet knife. Much more flexible. Seems to be another fillet knife. This is comfortable. Nice. Pretty flexible too. So for the fish and things like that. And what's over here? Just a different fillet knife with not a sharp edge over here. Edge and a bigger chopper over here. This is much thicker one. So I guess all of that for fishing. Pretty unique setup, that's for sure. I do like these knives when you go fishing. A lot of times you wanna like prep your fish. There is even tables by the boat docks and things like that. Boom, you got your roll of knives. Really nice. So there you go. Let me know in comments below what do you think about the Brownian hunting knives. Pretty cool.